Welcome to your comprehensive guide on how to manage orders in RouteMagic. In this first section, we will explore sale orders, the foundational step in your order management process. A sale order is essentially the initial record of the products your customer wishes to buy, along with quantities and prices that will eventually become an invoice once the goods are delivered. To create a new sale order, you begin by clicking on Add Sale Order under Order Management and selecting the customer from your database. If this customer is new, your system settings allows you to add the customer on the fly. Once you've chosen the customer, you can specify the products, requested delivery date and time, any required discounts, absolute or percentage, and additional instructions such as invoice notes or internal notes. You'll also see key information such as the customer's credit limit and outstanding balance, which helps you manage credit-based sales. If the customer's balance is in a negative figure, it means they have prepaid amounts that can be adjusted against future purchases. A positive balance indicates what they owe. When you finalize your sale order, it moves into the pending approval state, depending on your company-level settings. If approval is automatic, it will go directly to the approved state. Now let's explore standing orders. What is a standing order? A standing sale order automates future orders for customers who receive regular deliveries. For instance, if a customer routinely needs 10 bottles of skimmed milk and 5 bottles of full-fat milk every Monday, you can create a standing order to generate these sale orders automatically, according to a frequency schedule, daily, weekly, or monthly. In your RouteMagic system, you typically set up standing orders under the order management you'll assign. The start date for the standing order. The frequency, for example, daily, skipping weekends, or every Monday. The quantities and products. Once you confirm these details, the system auto-generates corresponding sale orders before each scheduled date. These repeating orders appear as pending, requiring your review and manual approval before they enter the Route Planner. This allows you to confirm quantities with the customer each cycle and adjust if necessary. You simply approve them, and they then flow into the regular picking, packing, and loading process. Now let's explore the Action menu on the Sale Order screen. The Action menu on the Sale Order screen provides quick access to essential functions like bulk approve, duplicating, or canceling orders, which saves time and improves workflow efficiency. It centralizes all critical actions in one place, reducing navigation and user error. 1. Change display settings. This allows users to modify the layout and visibility of sale order details. It helps customize the interface for better navigation and workflow efficiency. 2. Change export settings. This adjusts the format and data fields included in exports. It ensures that exported reports meet specific business requirements. 3. Export selected. This exports only the manually selected sale orders. It is useful for analyzing or sharing specific orders rather than the entire list. 4. Export all. This downloads a complete export of all available sale orders. It enables comprehensive reporting and record keeping. 5. Import CSV. This allows bulk uploading of sale orders via a CSV file. It speeds up data entry and integration from external sources. 6. Export all summary. This generates a summarized version of all sale orders. It provides an overview of order statuses, values, and key metrics. 7. Download PDFs. This downloads PDF versions of sale orders or related documents. It helps in offline record keeping and document sharing. 8. Download due delivery order. This downloads delivery order documents for selected sales. It ensures accurate tracking of shipments and deliveries. 9. Mark as delivered. This updates selected sale orders to delivered status. It helps in maintaining an accurate fulfillment record. 10. Mark as returned. This flags selected orders as returned in the system. It is essential for handling customer returns and refunds. 11. Mark as collected. It means the order's logistics are complete, items have been handed over or picked up. Once this step is confirmed, it updates inventory movements if you want to track the departure of goods from stock. 12. Create consignment. This generates a consignment entry for selected orders. It is useful for tracking goods movement and logistics. 13. Bulk approve. It approves multiple sale orders at once. This saves time by eliminating the need for manual approval of each order. 14. Reschedule selected. It changes the scheduled delivery date for selected orders. It helps in managing logistics and accommodating delays. 15. Import packages CSV. This allows bulk import of package details via CSV. It helps in automating order fulfillment and tracking shipments. 16. Create purchase order. It generates a purchase order for selected sale orders. This helps in inventory management by ensuring stock availability. 17. Bulk download pod PDFs. It downloads proof of delivery, pod, documents in bulk. This is useful for verifying deliveries and resolving disputes. 18. Download SO analysis. This exports a detailed report analyzing sale order trends. It helps businesses assess performance and optimize sales strategies. 19. Import from accounting package invoices. This fetches invoice data from an integrated accounting system. It ensures financial records are accurate and up to date. These action buttons help in effectively managing the sales process, ensuring smooth operations from order creation to fulfillment and reporting. Two, pick order. Introduction to pick orders. Once a sale order is approved, the next step is picking the goods from the warehouse or storage areas. The pick order process ensures that items are physically gathered and ready for packaging. In RouteMagic, each new approved order will show up on the pick orders screen with a pending status. When you begin picking, the status changes to in progress, and you can systematically confirm that the correct items and quantities are retrieved. If there's insufficient stock, the system will warn you, or you can perform a partial pick with reasons noted, particularly important if you cannot supply the full ordered quantity. 3. Pack order. After picking the goods, the items enter the packing phase. Packing can be crucial for ensuring product safety, especially when dealing with fragile items or shipments that must be separated. On the pack orders screen, newly picked orders show as pending, or packed if skip pack was enabled. If you see an order in pending state, you can open it to start the packing process. Skip pack setting. If your company has opted to skip the packing stage, the system automatically moves your order from picked to packed. You'll still see a record of that packaging step in your system for reporting. Packing your orders. In the packing screen, you have two main approaches. Directly confirm pack. This finalizes the packaging in one click. Put items into packages. You can create new packages, boxes, crates, or containers, labeling them and grouping products as needed. Some items might be packed separately if they are fragile or require special handling. Click Confirm Pack when you finish, and the system moves the order to the packed state. Four, load order. The load order step is where you allocate and transfer the packed goods onto vans or trucks for final delivery. On the load orders screen, you'll find all orders that have been moved from pack to the load order creation phase. Here, the warehouse inventory is reduced once the load order is processed, and the selected vehicle or driver will receive the physical stock. Creating and processing the load order. Create load order from the pack orders or sale orders screen. Choose the orders in packed status and generate a new load order. You can also add stock manually for any extra or unplanned items. Process the load order. The warehouse team processes it, reducing warehouse inventory accordingly. Driver. Acceptance. The driver on the handheld device sees the assigned load. Once they accept or adjust any quantities, for instance, if they notice a discrepancy in real stock versus what's listed, they confirm on their RouteMagic app. If they amend the quantities, they can record a reason. This reason is visible back on the ERP and can be included in reports or PDFs. Action buttons on the load order screen and their impact. Change display settings. This allows customization of how load orders are displayed. It enhances user experience by optimizing visibility and workflow. Change export settings. This adjusts the format and fields included in exported load order data. It ensures relevant details are captured in reports. Export to CSV. This helps in exporting load order data in CSV format for external use. This facilitates integration with other systems and reporting tools. Export all. This exports all available load orders. It is useful for generating comprehensive reports. Import CSV. This allows bulk import of load orders via a CSV file. It speeds up data entry and integration from external sources. Export all summary. This generates a summarized report of all load orders. It provides an overview of key metrics and statuses. Export selected summary. This exports a summary of only the selected load orders. It's useful for analyzing specific orders without processing the entire list. Bulk download. This downloads multiple load orders in one action. It saves time by eliminating the need for individual downloads. Bulk edit. This allows editing multiple load orders simultaneously. It enhances efficiency by reducing manual updates. Bulk summary download. It downloads summarized data of multiple load orders. This helps in tracking and managing bulk operations efficiently. Bulk cancel. This cancels multiple load orders at once. It is useful for handling order modifications or disruptions. Download physical key document. This downloads documents related to physical keys for shipments. It ensures accurate tracking and documentation for security purposes. These buttons facilitate efficient load order management, ensuring smooth processing, accurate documentation, and streamlined logistics. Additional load order features. Duplicating a load order. If you have repeating deliveries or standard vehicle loads, you can save time by duplicating a previous load. Pick list requests. Drivers can generate a pick list in their app for upcoming days. This pick list appears as a pick list type, allowing the warehouse to prepare stock well in advance. Loaded status confirmation. Only once the driver confirms they've loaded the items onto the vehicle will the system update the order to loaded with a green tick. After that, the order is ready for the final step, delivery, leading to delivered via pre-invoiced and eventually invoiced and paid statuses in your RouteMagic workflow. Additional load order features. Duplicating a load order. If you have repeating deliveries or standard vehicle loads, you can save time by duplicating a previous load. Pick list requests. Drivers can generate a pick list in their app for upcoming days. This pick list appears as a pick list type, allowing the warehouse to prepare stock well in advance. Loaded status confirmation. Only once the driver confirms they've loaded the items onto the vehicle will the system update the order to loaded with a green tick. After that, the order is ready for the final step. In summary, your order fulfillment workflow in RouteMagic follows a well-defined path. Sale order, including standing orders, where you record initial customer requests, apply discounts, handle shipping costs, and manage approvals. Pick order, where warehouse staff confirm and gather items, possibly performing partial picks or capturing catch weights. Pack order, where items are bundled into packs or crates, fully preparing the goods for shipment. Load order, where goods are loaded onto vans or trucks, and the driver confirms quantities before heading out for delivery. By mastering these 4 stages, sale, pick, pack, and load, you'll ensure a smooth, efficient, and accurate process for delivering the products your customers need. Whether you use the skip pack feature, partial picks, or standing orders, RouteMagic's flexible workflow can adapt to a variety of operational models, helping you maintain strong customer satisfaction while streamlining internal logistics. Thank you for following along, and we hope this guide helps you become more efficient in your day-to-day RouteMagic operations. Thanks for watching! If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And before you go, check out these 2 videos. We picked them just for you.